Hello, boys and girls. When I was cleaning my room, I found quite a lot of stuff, and I found these relays over here, 3 relays, and one contactor. I don't need them. I have busted open quite many of these, but not quite these two over here. These little ones I do bust open quite often, but I wanna see what's inside of them. So this is a telemechanic type of contactor. It works on I don't know how well you can see, but 230 volts. It's a 3-phase and one normal closed contact and coil over here, A1 and A2. Yeah, this is a relay, and here is how it works. Is you will put live through A1 and A2. Here is a normal closed and normal open. Right now it's closed, and if you energize this, this normal open one will go to closed position. So I do not need those things, and I'm gonna bust them open and let's see what kind of silver contacts we can find inside them. I know these are quite stiff. It's a stiff plastic to break down, but I'm gonna give it a try. Okay, plastic cover came out. We have a lot of screws over here. I don't know if we need to take them apart first. I don't know, maybe not. We can do something here. No. Wow, that was fast. That was really fast. I think I'm gonna put my safety glasses on, because as you saw, stuff are flying quite fast. I don't want that these are gonna end up in my eyes. Okay. A spring popped out. I can see where the contacts are located. Yeah, this is the switch over here that makes the contact between here, and I don't know, maybe I have to take these screws out. I'm gonna take these screws out really quick. I don't think that helps, but just in case, I don't know. Yeah, now they are out of the way, so okay. How this thing will come off? I don't see much. Oh, just like that. Okay. Plastic. Yes. Yeah, this is the energizing coil over here. Yeah, we have two pieces of it's iron. It's quite pure iron. It's not steel, it's iron, because iron, if you energize this coil and you de-energize that, so the iron won't how it's in English, there won't be that electromagnetic field. It just disappears right away. So yeah, we have a little piece of copper, and contacts are hidden here. Now if we can push them out. Okay, here they are. Quite many of them. Can I get this out? Yep. I'm gonna put the guts in here. So yeah, they are not coming out that easily. Oh, piece of plastic. Gonna throw away those springs over here. Yeah, pieces like this, they are, I believe this is, it looks like brass. Yes, it's brass. Okay, and they are not big ones. Come on, camera, focus for me. Thank you. And they are not also all the way through. They are just like spot welded on here. But there is a quite many of them. I don't know if they are all the way silver, but if I'm gonna fire a little bit, I'm gonna try to fire one side of it to the brass to make sure is it all the way silver or is it just plating or coating. Yeah, it's all the way silver. Okay, so we have on this piece two pieces of silver, pure silver contacts. Yeah, and we have, yeah, quite few of them. All right, I'm gonna put these guys aside for a sec, and let's take apart this one over here. Now let's start up from here. Plastic. This is okay. Piece of steel. Another piece of steel with plastic. This is the energizing coil again. And okay, something is hidden here. Yeah, I see the contacts already. Will they come out? No. So where do I have to bust more? Let's see if we can access a little bit from the side. I'm gonna take these away. Some steel inside again. And can we pull those things? Yes, we can. And pull them out. And all the guts just fell out. This is a plastic, nothing here. And some few springs over here. Alright, plastic. And oh, yeah, almost lost it, but that's okay. Well, sorry if I'm sometimes doing off the camera, but this is what we have. We have contacts over here, and here, and also these are wrong side up, and you can then see them in here also. So I'm gonna add them in here. Gonna make sure I don't miss anything. Hopefully not. Alright, let's take this one apart now. Let's see what's inside here. We can basically see what's inside, but let's take these contacts out. Oh, these are much nicer ones. And the one thing what I like with these types of relays, quite often the middle ones, the middle contacts over here, they are pure silver, both of them. Sometimes there is only one side, sometimes two or even more, but the middle ones very often are pure silver. And as you see here, these edge ones over here, these are just silver coated. So I'm gonna rip these guys. Alright, they came like that. Now next ones. And the last ones over here. And we have some copper, a little bit steel. And let's see these a little bit closer. These are the pure silver ones. I'm gonna turn them like that. And this is what we got from that small relay. And these two over here, these are pure silver, and they are quite easy to get off from here. I'm just gonna take these regular plier cutters. I'm gonna cut here from the side really carefully, because when I have done these things, sometimes that silver contact wants to fly away really far. And here it is, pure silver contact. It does not weigh nothing. I believe my little scale won't pick it up. I'm wobbling too much. I'm gonna, yes. Oh, it shows something. 0.06 grams or 60 milligrams. Yeah, it's something. But if you have a bunch of them, if you know, stockpile it, it adds up quite quickly, because silver is heavy. And I do have here a little bit silver buttons, all kinds of. And all right, let's take this last guy apart. Let's see, what do we have in here. There is a kind of danger when you are playing around with your screwdriver like that. You may end up puncturing yourself, and that's not funny. For viewers, maybe it's funny, because I'm gonna swear, I believe, in 10 different languages, I guess. That's the quickest way to learn languages, I think. Now, we have, come on, get out. Get out. Copper coil again. And here we have again 3 silver contacts, and looks like this middle one is pure silver again, and those side ones over here are with the copper core and silver coating or plating on top of them. So I'm gonna cut these guys too. And here we are. So this is what we got. It has taken nearly 20 minutes, I guess, and we have some stuff for a scrap out, and I'm gonna think how I'm gonna remove these ones over here. With these that are all the way through that finger, it's quite easy to get off, but these that are spot welded here, they're a little bit pain in the ass. But here we have some nice amount of brass over here, silver contacts. We got some fine copper wire, 4 coils, some steel, a lot of plastic, and yeah, this is basically it. Okay, enough for that, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.